Hi, and welcome to the tutorial for Preferred Product. It's the app located here in your main menu. I'll be showing this in Windows, but it'll look very similar on your Mac. Okay, so basically this app is a tool for gathering user feedback, specifically about their preferences regarding existing products or perhaps different concepts that you have for a future product. So it can be used for concept evaluation. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to call this MP3. Click the new button. And then what you'll do is you'll add in your images. So let's say that we have three different concepts for three new form factors for an MP3 player. So what we're going to do is go ahead and search for those three. So let's say X, Y, Z. So I'm going to put in X. I'm going to add into the library Y. And we'll take a look at each one of these. And we're just going to get some general feedback from the participant as to if they want a more traditional look, a rounder look, or kind of a oblong, interesting shape. So we're going to add each one of these to our list. And then we can name it. So let's just call this X, Y, and Z. And you can even put in some specs here if you want to, if you feel like that's necessary. Okay, so then we're going to save the list of different concepts. And if you ever want to edit your concept list, you can go edit right here, or copy it, or delete it. So we're going to go ahead and run that experiment. I will be, the recruited participants here, hypothetically. And we'll just call this MP3X. Okay, so they will just rank their favorite one of these. And if they click, they can actually get more feedback. So there's the name. This could be much longer, of course. And then the different specs or different details that you put in about that particular concept or product. So let's say I liked X the best. So I'm just going to be clicking and dragging. Click and drag. Let's say I like Y the least. And if there were more, you would just click the arrows. So you can see the highest or the best to the lowest. And then down here they can write, I liked the X concept the best because da da da. And then, or they can discuss everything else. And then they'll hit submit. Yes. Okay, so that was participant 1. Let's run it again. So we'll have a couple participants. I'm just going to click and drag, click and drag, click and drag, and of course the rationale. We'll hit submit. Okay, so in this experiment list, you can always delete, export the data to Excel, which is what I'm going to do now. And that shows that it worked. And then we're going to take a look at it. So here you see the name of the experiment, or the study actually, and then you see the spreadsheet. It takes a minute to open up Excel. Sometimes if you have Excel open already, it opens a little bit quicker. Just give it a minute and the data will fall into place. The good thing is you don't have to do any manual data entry. It does the analysis for you automatically. Okay, so first you see the different rationale that each participant put in. And then you can see, you can look at it two different ways. Here's the rankings and the different products and the frequency that it was ranked that way. Or you can look at it as the different concepts based and how they were ranked. And then there's the percentages again. And that is everything. If you have any questions, just email us. Thank you.